So hello everyone, today we'll be unboxing or doing a review of this new Theo Klein cash register. It's actually one of the newest toys that was released this year, and as you've seen my previous video, I reviewed this point of sale terminal toy also from Theo Klein, and this toy is made this year. So these two are one of the newest addition to their toys. Let's see, it's quite big. As you can see, it's a vintage style, and here it says it's electronic, and you see here still has plastic on it, so has different sound. It's actually here different English, French, German or Deutsch. I don't know what this, I'm not very familiar with those abbreviation of which language. Oh, it's different languages here. So and here you have the Swedish. So let's open. So I went ahead and put the batteries on this cash register. It requires 3 AA batteries, and as of most toys, it's recommended for children 3 years old and above. But you see this, it has some weight to it. It's very nicely made. Of course, it's made of plastic. This is the back where you put the batteries. Here it has like style, and here you can see on and off button. You can hear it. Other inclusions are the coins, which I will later show to you. So euros, using euros. We're not using euros here in Sweden. And look at the coins. If you see my review on the Theo Klein electronic and other cash register, the coins included was really tiny and it's really low quality. But this one is, you get like 2 or 3 coins, and they're quite big, so they're good for those small hands. Let's see, you can also turn it off there, turn it on. You see the display is big. It says touchscreen, but it's actually, you know, the bubble wrap, so the letters are like that. You press it here, it's like a shortcut. You see, this is for pastries, and so you have so it gives random prices, just like the other Theo Klein cash register that I have. Here are vegetables, dairy or protein. It has fish in it. Here are the carbs, and the candies. Very nice. So here, that's creepy sound. It's like from Carnival. It's when you get a sale, I think. This one is if there's a thief. You see that you can press it if you have like, it's a thief in my store. And here is like a cart. Okay, just that. So the numbers, they give that, so it's from 1 to 8, and then it's a working, oops, happened. So it's a working calculator. So let's see, I understand this. Maybe see, 3 plus 6 So it's like the same function. This one and this one. Let's see. So these are the money. It includes in this set. You can see this very big coins. Not sure if this is 10 euros or cents. Not sure. I'm not really familiar with euros. It's just weird. So 2 10s, 3 5s, and 3 1s. And the banknotes are in euros, so you get like 2 each. So you have 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, and 500. They're bound by scotch tape, so you're very careful to remove them. I see I removed some. The paper or the tape was attached to the money. That's why some of the bills are ripped off. So it's not a good move. So we're gonna put the money in our register. So you see here, it's actually the ones who can open the register. And so the register doesn't have any like, you can separate your banknotes and the coins, so you can just put everything in there. It's quite big though, so it's extend there, and you put all your massive coins. Let's see. Oh, inside. So just gonna, you see, there is a lever here, and then you can open the register, and it has that pling pling noise, and you make a sale. I'll just push this. As you can see, it's quite deep, so this is a better cash register to have, because although there's no separator, it's big. You can put a lot of things in this. You can put a lot of money. So just too bad it doesn't have any separators. I would prefer that, but still it's quite big compared to the cash register that I have from Theo Klein. So that's it. This is my review of the new Theo Klein electronic cash register toy that looks vintage. I hope you liked the video. I'm actually making this video on top of my Melissa and Dog Freshmart supermarket. So I'll put the link on the description box on the playlist of all the toy reviews and other toy products.